good group, and I am the great champion international. Oui, you wish to speak to the great celebrity? Sacre fouille! I have been robbed. It's okay. I forgive you. Take this ball. It is my favorite. N'est-ce pas? With this iron ball, I have some fun. What went wrong, Huckleberry? That is for sure. First, I fill this balloon ball with gas. Then we add the glue in the holes for the Huckleberry's fingers. When he takes the ball, he floats away. Not yet, little balloon. Uh-oh, here comes the pigeon. Sacre stupid! That is the wrong ball. This is it.